Well, hello, everybody. Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. You guys, I am truly excited today because I get to present to you my first sew project for my Sew Blue challenge. So if you don't know about this challenge is to bring awareness to diabetes. I fight diabetes myself. And so November is Diabetes Awareness Month. And I am using this month for us sewists to do what we do best. And that is put different beautiful pieces together, whatever you want to do, whether it be clothes, whether it be crafts that you've sewn up, whatever, just make it blue, you guys. So this is my first review. I have a couple of projects going. I did do a video on this, so if you have not seen it, please go back and take a look if you are looking for a little inspiration. But my first project is actually what I am wearing, and this is Brittany J Jones Know Me by Mimi G patterns, you guys. You know, this is a new brand by Mimi G, and it just introduces different types of pattern designers. And you guys, a lot of them we know very well because we follow them on Instagram, YouTube, and all of social media. So this top by Brittany J Jones is just absolutely amazing. And this is, the pattern number is ME2002. So I know that's probably backwards for you, but it's ME2002. So of course I did do view A right here. You also have the sleeveless version in view B, and then you have the pants if you want to do the pants in view D. So I did not do the pants, I just did view A. And in this pattern, I actually cut out a size, I actually sized it between the 14 and the 16 in the bust area because I fell right in between those two. So you guys, I graded out the 14 just in the bust area, and then the rest of the pattern I just sewed it as the 14. Okay, so I graded it out in between, literally smack dab in between those two sizes, just for that area to make sure that it fit. Now the fabric that I use is a knit fabric, and it is a knit fabric that I picked up from Walmart a long time ago. Now this is a looser knit, and it is a rib knit, and I show a close-up in my previous video telling you what I sewed up, what I had planned on sewing for this challenge, and I will put the link in the description so that you can see the close-up of this fabric. But it, like I said, it is a bit looser. It all depends on the knit that you use. So as you can see, hers is a little bit more fitted than mine is, but the fit is still really, really good. Another thing I noticed about this pattern, this particular knit, is because of the fact that it's so loose too, my sleeves dropped a little bit off of my shoulder. So I probably need to do some resizing the next time I sew this up. The plus size is that the fabric that I used wasn't overly expensive. It was literally like, I think about 4 yards for $3 or something like that. So it wasn't a big deal. Great fabric to practice with if need be. You guys, this pattern was super easy. And the thing that I love about all Mimi G patterns and all of these Know Me patterns is that you can scan this code, or you can go straight to YouTube to the Know Me channel, and you can find a sew along, okay, for each of these particular patterns. I felt, I guess, one of my curls crawling on my neck. I'm like, what is this I am feeling? But that's what it was. But anyway, back to the video. You guys know me, I'm crazy. But yeah, super easy pattern, you guys. I think that this is a great pattern for beginners. I really, really do. It is that easy. So this is one that I would definitely recommend. The size of the pattern that I got is size 10 through 18 on here. And I do believe that this pattern, there is a larger sizes that do like plus sizes in this pattern too, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if they're on the back. Yes, it goes up to women's sizes 20 to 20 through 30, 20W through 38W, okay, in the women's sizes. So just keep in mind that there is a size for everybody, okay? Would I recommend this pattern to others? Absolutely, because you guys, this pattern is so nice. It's so easy. You can wear it with different things. You can wear it with pants. You can wear it with leggings. You can wear this with a skirt. I could even see making literally a skirt set out of this, okay? Even out of the same fabric if you wanted to do like a knit skirt with a knit top. So I could totally see doing that, okay? I could even see, here's a thought too, lengthening this and making it into a dress. I think that it would be very unique because as you can see the cut of it, it's instead of this tunic top being like, you know, straight down, the cut of it is at actually a diagonal, as you can see it there. So just think if you were to lengthen that a little bit and, well, a little lot, if you wanted to make that into a longer dress and just close up the sides a little bit, a very easy pattern to hack. One more feature that I love about this is the neck. The neck is very easy to do. It's not like your tight turtleneck or anything like that. It's a very comfortable, loose fitting neck, but it gives you that mock turtleneck look. And then you have the 3/4 of sleeves that come down. Now, when I do this again, because of the fact I do like a longer sleeve, I will most likely lengthen this sleeve a bit, okay? So that is something that I personally know what I will do with this. So that you can get, you know, some better views of this shirt, I, of course, have put pictures up on the side, but I will put a couple of more after I'm done talking in this video. So as I said, this is my first photo for you guys to see what I have sewn for the challenge that I am hosting myself, and that is the Sew Blue Challenge to bring awareness to diabetes for the month of November. So if you have not joined this challenge and you're thinking about it, go ahead and do it. Be sure to tag me. Use the hashtags that I will show at the end of this video. And then be sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can see your beautiful makes. So I thank you guys for joining. I thank you guys for participating. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, you all. Bye-bye.